This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about casserole pots, specifically these Metlux individual casserole pots. We have the 9-ounce size in stainless steel, and it's a small pot with lid. It's 5 3/4 inches in length, 3 3/4 wide, and 3 inches in height. We also have the 16-ounce large pot with lid in the copper finish. This one is 6.5 inches in length, 4.5 inches wide, and 3 inches in height. They're all made of premium stainless steel with the option of the stainless steel finish or the copper finish. The pots all have those double handles and feature those adorable lids for the perfect look. The handles make them not only super cute, but also easy to carry. The lids help keep your foods contained and also help keep them at temp. These are great to use for individual portions of soups, stews, chowders, casseroles, things like mac and cheese, bread pudding, and more. They're break resistant and are going to stand up to long-lasting, frequent use. They make a great way to upgrade the presentation of a variety of different dishes when served in those individual portions. They're perfect to use in restaurants, by caterers, or just at home to spice up the presentation of your weeknight meals.